Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a video movie camera on Dress to Impress. Select the camera and you're just going to color it to all black here. Then we are going to get the apple. I know you guys are bored of me probably saying that. Toggle it to mischievous. And then you are going to select the knife here. Toggle it to high. And then we are going to get the pink bag, this one. And we're going to toggle it to on left hand, sorry. Lastly, we need the coconut. Color it in all black again. And that is okay. And that is it for this video. It looks kind of like a video camera if you looked at it from a certain angle. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!